Need to fix Love Island USA app not working? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, head over to the App Store on your device. Inside the App Store, in the address bar, search for Love Island USA. Move into this app. Instead of open, if you find the option of update, then your application is not up to date. In that case, simply click on update and update the app. Sometimes updating the application has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. If not, move into settings. Inside the settings, you will need to head over to General. Head over to iPhone storage. Once you're in this page, search for the application Love Island USA. Once found, click on it. Now you need to click on Offload app and once again tap on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.